Hello everyone, Betty and I would like to welcome you to this week's Celebration Assembly. Yes, Betty is so excited as always, and I am excited as well because we've had a fantastic week with lots of fantastic, great learning, and I'm very proud of all of you. Now, are we ready for our awards? I am. Okay, Betty, you know where to go. Now everyone, so for our Going for Gold Awards, we have lots of fantastic work going on. In Leeds class, we have Lily Mae for being active and playing tennis outdoors. And Jensen for super control when making paper chains. In York class, we have Macaulay for super Fred talk during Rewrite Ink. And Jake for making a cord jump in the construction area and being able to explain how it works. In Hall class, we have Zara for always remembering to say please and thank you. And Bailey for super maths work during cherry diagrams. In Nottingham class, we have Evie for persevering when reading the red tricky words in Read Write Ink, and Cohen for writing a fantastic letter from Kipper. Liverpool, we have Susanna K for super neat presentation of all her work every lesson. We also have Hubert for great problem solving in maths. In Cardiff class, we have Tommy for great super answers in maths this week, and Helena for always trying her best and for joining in lessons. In Edinburgh, it is all of Year 4 class for superb behavior, listening, and attitude during the outdoor classroom day they had this week. They loved every minute of it, and they worked very sensibly. In Cambridge class, we have Harvey for having a hard-working and positive attitude this week. Miss Lofthouse is very proud of you. And Scarlett for her knowledge about mummification in English. She had added lots of detail to her writing. In London class, we have Ethan for working hard to write about and decorate his pyramid this week. And Zane for being creative in English and trying out ideas with new vocabulary. In Oxford class, we have Jack for persevering with long division and not giving up, and Scarlett for persevering with long division as well and not giving up. In Lincoln class, we have Mohammed for using more words with adults in class. And Chester, we have Xavier for fantastic effort with his maths work. Well done to all of you. I'm really proud of all of you. So give yourselves and everyone a big hand. Well done. Now we have our Year of Being Healthy Awards. In Leeds class, we have Evie for making healthy choices at snack time. And Aria for mindful coloring at the creative table. In York class, we have Flynn for having a healthy breakfast before coming to school. And Esme for remembering how to keep our teeth healthy. In Hall class, we have Anaya for trying a healthy green bean this week. And Alicia for some super mirror work in PE. In Nottingham class, we have Oakley for having a positive mindset with all of his work. And Naima for fantastic skills in dodgeball. In Liverpool class, we have Grace for super teamwork in PE, playing rounders. And Skylar for a great team player in PE, playing rounders. In Cardiff class, we have all of Cardiff class for their perseverance, enthusiasm, and trying new things during their outdoor learning day. They had a fantastic time. In Edinburgh class, we have all of Miss Keenan's swimming group. So Lucas, Zach, Zoe, Leighton, James, Jasmine, Talisa, and Goran for the superb effort they put into swimming this week. Some of their swimming are right across the pool for the first time. In Cambridge class, we have Tex for having a healthy snack at break time every day this week, and Madison for taking on Mrs. Prince's challenge and making sure she gets enough sleep. Also, we have Noah and Ken Dwayne for showing great leadership qualities in PE. In London class, we have Amelia for super attitude when completing her work for showing perseverance. We also have Tommy for showing empathy during the anti-bullying week. Oxford, we have George for showing great teamwork skills in PE, and Lottie for consistently taking part in the daily mile and pushing herself to the best of her ability. In Lincoln class, we have Abe for some fantastic sensory and artwork this week. And in Chester class, we have Jasmine for trying new foods at lunchtime. What an awesome group of children and fantastic achievements this week. Let's give them a big clap. Well done. Well, Betty, come over here. Betty, come here. Right, Betty. Now, we are so very proud of all of you, and in particular, our children who received awards this week. Now, next week is another very special week. It's the Week of Gratitude. I can't wait to see what things you are thankful for. Have a good weekend. Bye. Bye.